2013 to 2015 Honda window reset. What's up, guys? I'm in a 2015 Honda Civic, so check it out. If your window is doing this, when you push the up button, it'll roll down, but when you roll it up, when it gets to the top, it just goes right back down. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Boom, goes down. Okay, so it needs to be reset. The procedure for this is actually kind of long and tedious. I will put it in the description. I'm going to show you how to do it, but basically anytime the window regulator is replaced, or like there's been a repair to the glass or the driver door, whatever, you're going to need to reset. This one just fell out of calibration for whatever reason, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So first thing you want to do is put your key, turn accessories to on. Don't turn the engine on, just turn it to the lights on. That's called accessories, or they call it on. So just do that, and we're going to roll the window all the way down with the driver switch. Hold the button down and open the door. When it's all the way down, open your driver door and leave it open. Okay, these next steps are very important. We're going to call this steps 4 through 7. Turn your key to the lock position, which is just backwards with the lights off, but don't take it out. You're going to push and hold the power window button down. While you're holding it, you're going to turn the key back on to accessories, not the engine, and then you're going to release this button. You're going to do this about 3 times in a row. Do it within 5 seconds of each other. This is how it's supposed to look. Lock position, hold button down, turn the key on, then release button. Do that 3 times in a row. After you do that, your window should not auto roll at all. It shouldn't auto up or auto down. That means you're in calibration mode. Then you're going to push the button and go all the way up, and you're going to hold it for about 10 seconds. After you do that, go down, and then when it gets to the bottom, hold it for about 10 seconds, and then you should be good. The hardest part about this is steps 4 through 7. It's super tedious, but don't give up. It will work. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for auto.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the Auto website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.